they're both.
Tango down.
This is taking too long right now.
Yeah, no. Where's it even coming from? Like, seriously. It's not behind me. Hey, guys.
Target
Got
neutralized.
him?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, I'm dead.
On the feet.
Behind me.
Nice. Oh shit!
And you just...
Yeah, it was like someone else over there. But,
Oh my god! Oh my god! That guy just like blew up right in front of me. That was so scary. Like I was
There's
like
another
running.
over there.
Yeah. Where? Oh wait!
His head.
Well,
I his ass. Got him.
like one shot at me.
Avenger.
So bad.
I just might.
Man down.
Oh my god.
Needs an evac.
Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah! Oh,
Oh, hell
fucking
yeah.
bitch!
I just got a double kill and I feel really good.
Kill confirmed.
Kill
Yo,
confirmed.
house.
Kill confirmed for life.
Oh my god!
Shit, I'm pretty sure I know he just died. I'm so bad!
So bad!
Enemy down.
Got that. Oh fuck! Oh yeah. Oh shit.
This is a joke.
Okay, now I feel a little better about this.
Just a team that's a good.
Yeah, you real in my way right now. Oh, 3 kills, 3
Oh my god, there's another one.
Alright.
Oh my god!
Yeah, get out! He's like right by you.
How did you not shoot me?
Ah, shit. Okay, where are they? Okay.
I haven't seen any more by
There's no, look at your map. I just
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! How did he just die? He's just running at me 1 second. The next I know. Oh
Gotcha, bitch. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah.
This guy's just like unloading and he's like taking forever to shoot everyone right now. And I'm like, really?
Oh, shit.
Boy, you out of practice too, I see. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn.
I don't even want to talk about it right now. Don't really share my feelings about it. Hi, my friend.
Oh, fuck me. Shit!
Great, you are just...
I knew that guy was over there.